How to disable YouTube Shorts on PC. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now I'm going to show you guys it on PC because on mobile it's a little bit different than it is on PC, because on PC it's super easy, it's just a matter of one click. So let's get started right away. All you basically want to do is simply go to YouTube, and once you are here in YouTube, you just want to scroll a little bit down until you see the short feed over here. So here you can see a bunch of different shorts, and yeah, so all you basically want to do is click on this cross right here where it says not interested, and if you click on there, then that's basically it. It says shelf will be hidden for 30 days, and you can also undo it if you would like to. After 30 days, this might appear again, but all you have to do is simply one click. If that's all it takes in order to just remove it completely, then that is not a lot, right? So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.